Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to connect Lenovo LivePods Lp1s on your Android handset. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, turn on the Bluetooth on your handset. Bluetooth will automatically search for the nearest devices, which are available to be connected. If the Lenovo device didn't appear on the list, tap on Scan from the bottom. Now you will see the name of the Lenovo device on the list. Tap on it. From the pop-up menu, select OK. That's it. Your Lenovo LP1s device is connected successfully. Tap on Done to continue. Now you can listen any music with your LivePods. If you want to disconnect the Lenovo device, again go to the Bluetooth settings. Tap on the settings gear icon, beside the device name. Now simply tap on Unpair, to disconnect the device. And the device is disconnected. So in this way, you can connect Lenovo LivePods Lp1s on your Android handset. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.